This is the Jeti box. It can be used to program both the Jeti Spin Pro ESCs and the Fiorotti control line timer. And I'm going to show you how to do that, or as follows. Right now, there is a plug from the top of the Fiorotti timer, and that goes over to the Jeti box plug on the right hand side, lower plug. Make sure that the wire orientation is the orange signal lead on the bottom and the brown lead on the top. You'll only need that one plug. Our battery is already plugged into the Spin 44 ESC. No motor attached, not necessary. Just make sure that those wires are not touching one another. And this is our on-off switch from the ESC. It should be in the off position before you start anything. So, we're all set up, and all we have to do is turn it on. You can see it's waiting for device. The Jeti box sees that the timer is connected to the Jeti box, and there's your timer flashing the blue light. Now we can go through the menu, and we can change all of the parameters on the timer. I have over here, see, I don't need those anymore. Okay. These are some of the parameters. Say RPM, okay. Is the delay time, and we cycle through the menu with the buttons on the right or the left. There's our flight time. Okay, here we are. Flight time. RPM, and so forth. Okay, I'm not going to go through the entire sequence, but that's how the Jeti box is used to program the Fiorotti timer. Now, the lead on the bottom of this right now is going to the ESC, and that is what is providing power to the Jeti box. It needs 5 volts. So I'm going to turn it off now and show you how to program the Spin Pro ESC. To grab the red lead from the ESC, disconnect the black lead and plug in the red lead, making sure now that the brown connector goes on the top. Okay. Now we can turn it on again. And you see right away, it's recognized as spin 44. And we can cycle through the program, but on this ESC we use the up and down. No, I'm sorry.